Right, so I thought I'd take this opportunity to discuss what's on my bike and how everything is packed. Um, First, I have this Ghetto Rig USB cable that connects here. Just be careful with it. You don't plug anything in while your bike's off. There is a slow drain. I have some frame sliders here. Down below, this is a S1R Two Brothers carbon racing pipe. It is a entire piece. It's not a like an M4 where they weld it together onto your stock pipe, but this is an entire piece here. I have a Corbin saddle. I think this one's called the Corbin Gunfighter and Lady because it sticks out here. And there's also a backrest you can get for it. This is just my camelback that I carried water in and some essentials, but the bladder was leaking, so I took it off. It was just, I couldn't understand why my pants were wet. Why is there a quarter cup in my butt crack for the first 2 days of riding? I thought it was just from the rain, but it was just consistently wet back here. So now that I saw that, I just decided to hang it on here. This is my shelter, a one-man tent. I also have my sleeping bag here on the side, my panniers. Excuse me about. Pardon me. With my rain covers, and they just open this way, and I have my Jetboil, which I have yet to use. A pair of Vans shoes. Anyways, onto the Pelican case. Yeah. Oh, excuse me. It is cold up here. Here, let me just open it up so you can see what it looks like, at least. Well, there's two locks here. Press buttons. This pops open. It's incredibly large. This has wheels on it. Looks like rollerblade wheels. And you can hit the switch down here. Pops this off. Here's a lock for it. Little twist. And you can take this entire thing off and roll it to your hotel or your campsite or wherever it is that you're going. I had a welder from San Diego custom make this. And it connects down here to the passenger peg. Connects to the passenger peg here, which is connected with a Roto X pack. This carries 1 gallon or 3.8 liters. And I've already used it twice, so this has come in handy when I'm out somewhere and there's no gas station nearby. You don't have that low fuel anxiety when you have this, so that's just peace of mind already. I'm just rocking the Scorpion SGS short cuff glove, the kangaroo palm sliders, super fabric. It's been great. Speedy ring jacket, my Kevlar Force Rider jeans, and I think these shoes are the TCX WPs, so they're waterproof, which came in handy because the first 2-3 days of the trip it was raining the majority of the day, or pretty much the entire day and night. And this right here is actually the first time the sun has been out for more than 10 minutes. So I thought this would be a great opportunity to admire the coast. And we are on Highway 1. It's PCH here. You can see it snake around this ridge. And we are just north of Big Sur and south of Carmel. Beautiful, beautiful ride. Absolutely gorgeous. It's just nothing but greenery. They get so much moisture here. And as I said, the first 3 days of the trip, it was just completely foggy. That's why a lot of the footage just looks gray and gloomy. I happened to pick a weekend where it was just nothing but rainfall, of course. But that's alright. I actually enjoyed riding in the rain. And I'm from Southern California, so it hardly ever rains. So it was nice to be in the rain while riding. Let's take a closer look at the shore. Ooh, there's somebody's home down there. Just tucked away in the mountain. How did they build that home? How did they even get there? I didn't notice a road that gets down there. Probably Dean Koontz's house or something. It looks like a writer would live there. Right. Now time for a cup of coffee. Or a cup of tea.